Hey, Kat. Hey, I gotta say, you guys, yourself, Ashley, Athena, Cheyenne, you guys that posted early are all over this. I am so pleased with what I'm seeing. This is just fantastic. Okay, so you had asked me about, whatever the format is, and yes, any of these is acceptable. And I did in the announcement, I did allude to the fact that it might be really cool to build a some sort of a box or some sort of a package that you can maybe show your packages in or something, or even a package that can hold photographs of your process. And that's what I alluded to. And I think that you kind of got that with this when you start going into these accordion folds and some of these other configurations, specifically this cards that slide apart. So I think that would be cool. I think it would be really cool to present an awesome package, something that just shows further understanding of the application of graphics to something that isn't, it's something other than a flat sheet, a flat file, as it were. So I think that's really, really very important and very cool. So, don't limit yourself here. If you want to branch out, take a look at what these guys are doing. Take a look at Ashley's got some amazing ideas with her folds and some things. And then Cheyenne also follows Ashley's lead by giving some really, check this out, just really, really cool ideas. So I'm giving you the green light as well. You just keep going. You don't need direction, and I think that you guys that are on this way. It's just, you go ahead and make your decision. I'll certainly direct you the way I feel fit. But as far as, just deciding your direction to pursue, go for it. Logo looks good. Good job there. I want to talk about this a little bit. This is your brand extension. Nothing really out of the ordinary here, Kat. So in other words, we're going to go from our classic package redesign to the multi-pack, and then we're going to go to the brand extension. And I think that if we go from the classic package redesign to the multi-pack, I think we really saw some really, really interesting developments made in your understanding and presentation of the actual flat die line and the presentation of the graphics, showing your understanding of how this thing folds up and where the graphics are and how they play into the package when it is no longer a flat file, but it's a three-dimensional object. The problem I'm having with this, there's nothing wrong with this at all. Nothing wrong with it at all. I'm just thinking that it might be more interesting to take a different approach than a traditional box. And I'm saying that for your portfolio because, your first project is here, shows good understanding. Your second project just springboards off that and is elevated to such a higher level. And this one, we can't really say that. So that's my only thing. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with this at all. I just think that for your portfolio, I just think that really, really taking this to a different level might be interesting. Now, when I say a different level, I'm talking about a different package shape and size. There's so many configurations to choose from. I'm thinking it might just be interesting to do. Like even a hanging package, like that hangs on the pegboards. It's got the package on the bottom and the part that sticks up top with a hole in it. I'm just saying something like that because we've already seen you showing complete proficiency with a box die line. So let's work for something a little more intricate, a little more interesting. Let me know what you think. Great job, Kat. Thank you.